after finishing the presentation, when you present and you explain the lesson, you're going to do practice. Practice here is that after you taught them the rule and give them a lot of examples and give them a lot of sentences, you're going to ask them to give you examples. You know, for example, you give them 10 sentences as an example. You're going to ask them, how about you? Give me an example. Describe what we're doing right now inside the class. So every student is going to say a sentence. And, you know, of course, you can make here one of the cooperative language learning activities by making like think, pair, share, and then ask everyone to think about sentence and then share it with one of his friends, and then they share it to the whole class. So every student is going to tell you one of the sentences in present continuous, or they are going to write it down. So this way, you made sure that everyone inside the class, they learn this piece of content. And this is a controlled practice. This is, you know, something that they do not have to use a lot of language. They are just using the language that you told them. One small note here is that do not trust that they understand. So, for example, when you explain the lesson, when you finish the presentation phase, and then you tell them, so do you understand? Usually they say, yes, we understand, but technically, most of them might not actually know how to apply this. They think they understand, or they are shy or afraid to say that they don't understand, fear of punishment or embarrassment. So what you need to do here is ask them to make sentences. When you ask them to do something, you will be able to judge if they understood or not, if you need to teach it again or not.